Yeah, it's everybody. We'll go back to our video today. If because I don't like her or him. If Cosmic Bird comes in the video, then the video ends. And here comes free guy. Now. Yep. There you go. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, this may or may not be a short video, but you guys are gonna know. It's like,
yeah, like just move the.
Go away, Dominic. Go away.
Okay, fine. I'll leave.
Well, look at.
Go.
Oh yeah, and just saying. Am I Donkey Kong? Yes. Thank you. Hopefully today can be a chaos-free video, other than Re-Guy. It's not really chaos, so eh.
Shit.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Shit, bitch.
Mayonnaise on an escalator. Why am I so confused out of my 32 days?
I don't know, but I just broke all of John's bones. Anyways, he's at the hospital, so.
Wolfenstein.
There's an escalator.
Okay, that's definitely not Wolfenstein. He got.
It's on an escalator.
Go away, go away.
No.
What?
Dominic has got to go home now.
Has got to go home now. Right now.
And you need to come down here.
Needs to come down here. Alright, stop.
Cosmic Bird.
Great.